Hi, welcome back. Let's have a look now at the microscope. A microscope is an optical instrument used to magnify small objects that we can have close to us. It consists of two converging lenses, two positive lenses, the objective near the object to observe, and the eyepiece, also known as ocular, near the eye. We can move them slightly to adjust vision. The object is placed a bit further from the focal point f1 of the objective. By doing this, we guarantee that the image will be real, and it will be farther from 2f1. The first image is the object for the second lens. This first image will be on the focal point of f2. This will generate a second image which will be virtual, inverted, and magnified. In order for the eye to be relaxed, we want the virtual image to be far away, ideally at infinity. That way the muscles of the eyes don't need to do extra effort, and we can be working on the microscope for a long time. To accomplish this is why we make the first image, the real image, appear at the focal point of the eyepiece f2. The second image will be then at infinity. The eye will see a virtual image which is inverted and at infinity. To calculate the magnification of the microscope, we use the same definition as with the magnifying lens. The angular magnification for an object viewed at infinity being m equal to 25 over f effective, where this f effective is the effective focal length of the instrument, that is, the combine of objective and eyepiece. This effective focal distance is given by 1 over f effective is equals to 1 over f of the objective plus 1 over f of the eyepiece minus d over f of the objective times f of the eyepiece. This is the distance between the lenses. We will derive this equation later in the course. May science be with you.